How to fix Gcash app game not opening. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your device, then search Gcash. Click on the Gcash app, and if there is update instead of open, update your app. Sometimes not updating your app may cause some issue. If you have updated it and it's still showing the same error, what you can do is open settings. After you open settings, in here click on apps and notifications. After you've clicked on apps and notifications, at the top click on app info. After you've clicked on app info, search for Gcash app and click on it. After you've clicked on Gcash app, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Storage and Cache. After you've clicked on it, simply click on Clear Cache. After you have done that, try opening the app and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Gcash app game not opening. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.